I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Pilot remote battery, updated. Start by finding a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Hold the remote firmly and use the screwdriver to pry apart the key shell at the seam. Remove the old battery gently and note its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up, press the halves together, and test the buttons to confirm proper function. Begin by locating the small notch on the remote and insert the flathead screwdriver with gentle pressure. Twist carefully to separate the two halves without bending plastic tabs. Lift out the old CR2032 and observe which side faced up so you can match orientation. Place the new battery in the same orientation and align the shell halves before pressing them together until you hear a click. Finish by pressing lock and unlock to verify success. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car repair tips. Quick recommendation. For reading while you wait in the driveway, I use the new Kindle Paperwhite because it fits easily in a glove box and reads anywhere with great battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. If your remote does not respond after replacement, stay calm and double check the battery orientation and contact surfaces. Clean contacts with a dry cotton swab to remove grime and ensure good metal-to-metal connection. Try a known fresh CR2032 from a different package if you suspect the battery is weak. If the shell no longer closes firmly because tabs broke, consider replacing the shell to maintain reliable button pressure and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.